Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro. So first, let me unlock my phone. Now after that, what you guys can do is enable auto rotate in those quick settings right here. So let's open them up here. Now here we will have our auto rotate. Make sure that it's enabled and then try and test your gyroscope in different apps. So for example, you will open YouTube and here you will test it. So you will just do that, now that, and you will test your gyroscope. After that, what you guys can do after testing the gyroscope, you can restart the phone to reset sensors if that gyroscope test didn't go well. So hold the power button, now press restart and tap to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is go over to the settings and then in those settings scroll all the way down to system, it's right at the bottom, and click the system update. So make sure you're running the latest version of your HiOS, and basically it can fix a lot of sensor issues and a lot of issues like that. So I recommend you guys updating your software regularly. And here, click here and click on online update. Then you will see if your Android is up to date. Now, after that, as a last resort, what you guys can do is reset the phone. And you can reset first the calibration parameters and then erase all data. So, if the factory reset and the calibration did not go well and there's still some issues with screen rotation, then I recommend you guys visiting the service center to get a more professional diagnosis made by a technician and not me. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.